Hey, Captain Roscoe with Monster Studs. I'm here with...
Go ahead. I'm sorry.
Listen, man, come on. Can I do this?
Okay, sorry.
I'm here with Mike Livorsi. We just had lunch. I met him in the elevator at my hotel last night. And to me, as an 80s child in South Florida, this is synonymous with go-fast boats, coming of age. Fountain, Donzi, all of that stuff. Cigarette, Don Aronow. And I just had lunch with him. We hit it off. He's to me, he's a living legend, and it's been an honor to hang out with you and tell the nice people how your show was. We're breaking everything down now. Get out of here.
Yeah, out of here. But no, it was a good show after 2 years. First show in 2 years, so it's a good show. A lot of people showed up, so that's good. The economy's moving, and the parts are moving. Met Captain Roscoe in the elevator. He's an avid fisherman, so we hit it off, and he's a fan of mine. So we just making a video.
We're making a video. We're gonna go wahoo fishing, and we got to figure out how to get the boat from one coast to the other so we can go to Bimini.
Bimini, yes. I want to go to Bimini. I love to go to Bimini. I don't have a trailer for that boat, so I got a trailer over, or I'm coming by you.
You're coming.
Yeah.
We're good. We got it.
So.
Listen, it's been a great Ibex for my first one. Next year I'm going to exhibit. We're going to have Studley in the full-size, life-size Studley here. Obviously, Livorsi will be here. And hopefully everyone's happy and healthy. And God, I'm wrapping up my first Ibex with Mike Livorsi here, so what an honor, man.
Great.
Great.
Thank you.
Thanks again for lunch.
Oh, hey, you're welcome.
Be healthy and stay off the electric bicycles.
I will.
All right. Take it
Thank
easy,
you.
guys. Check out Livorsi Marine.
Livorsi.com.
Livorsi.com, not Livorsi Marine.
No, Livorsi.com.
Livorsi.com.
Yes, sir.
All right, that's all you need. If you're Mike Livorsi, you just say Livorsi. It's like Malkovich. Chuck Malkovich, you just Malkovich. Mike Livorsi. Take it easy, guys.